Welcome to the English Fun Toon course conversation practice. Get ready to improve your English listening and speaking skills through everyday conversations in various places and situations. Join us on a journey to enhance your vocabulary and become more confident in English. Let's begin.
Hi there. Is this seat taken?
No, it's not. Please, go ahead and have a seat.
Thank you. I'm Sarah, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Mike.
Likewise, Mike. Are you from around here?
No, I'm not. I just moved to this town from a nearby city for a new job.
That sounds exciting. What made you choose our town?
Well, I heard it's a peaceful place with friendly people, and I wanted a fresh start.
You made a great choice, Mike. I've been a resident here my whole life. It's a wonderful town.
So, Sarah, what do you enjoy doing for fun around here?
Oh, I have a few favorite activities. I love taking leisurely walks in this beautiful park, reading books from our cozy library, and exploring new restaurants. How about you?
I'm quite the outdoorsy type. I enjoy hiking and biking, and, of course, I'm on a quest to discover the town's hidden culinary gems.
You're in luck. There is a charming cafe just around the corner. Would you like to join me for a cup of coffee sometime?
I'd love to, Sarah. Thanks for the invitation.
How about we meet at the cafe this Saturday at 2 p.m.?
Sounds perfect, Sarah. I'll see you there.
Mike, it's so great to see you again.
Thanks. Please, sit.
Thanks.
Sarah, I've been looking forward to this all week.
Have you had a chance to explore more of the town since we last met?
I have. I went for a long hike in the hills last weekend, and I found this charming little bookstore downtown.
Oh, that bookstore is one of my favorites. Did you find anything interesting?
I did. I picked up a classic novel, and I can't wait to start reading it.
That's wonderful, Mike. We'll have to have a book discussion sometime.
Absolutely, Sarah. I'd love that.
Mike, what inspired you to learn English?
Well, I've always been fascinated by different cultures, and I wanted to travel and connect with people from around the world.
That's a beautiful reason. Learning a new language opens up so many doors.
Sarah, I'm really grateful that our paths crossed that day in the park.
Me too, Mike. I believe that good friendships are like a great book. You never know how much you'll enjoy them until you start reading. Mike, it's been such a pleasure getting to know you.
Likewise, Sarah. I'm excited for all the adventures we'll share.
To new beginnings and the beauty of unexpected friendships.
Cheers, Sarah. Here's to many more coffee shop conversations and shared stories.
If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more updates.